Here's a question that haunts millions of Americans. Is it too late for me to start investing? Maybe you're 30, maybe 40, maybe 50. You see people your age already talking about their portfolios, and you think, I've already missed the boat. But have you? Today, we're going to run the actual numbers. No motivation, no fluff, just math. And the answer might surprise you.
Man, I just turned 35 and I haven't invested a single dollar. Am I screwed? Look, you're not screwed, but you need to understand what time does to money. Everyone says start at 20. I missed that by 15 years. True, but let me show you what your money can still do. The math is better than you think.
Let's start with the ideal scenario. Someone who starts investing at 25. They put in $500 a month into an S&P 500 index fund, averaging 10% annual return. By 65, that $500 a month becomes $2.6 million. That's the power of 40 years of compound interest. That's the benchmark. Now let's see what happens when you start later. Starting at 35, same $500 a month, same 10% return, but only 30 years to grow. The result? $986,000. Not $2.6 million, but still nearly $1 million. That's still wealthy by any measure. And here's the thing most people miss. If you can bump it up to $800 a month, you hit $1.6 million. Still less than the 25-year-old, but the gap shrinks fast when you increase your contributions.
Now, 45. This is where most people give up. They think, what's the point? 20 years isn't enough. But is it? $500 a month for 20 years at 10% return gives you $344,000. Is that $2.6 million? No. But it's a $344,000 safety net you wouldn't have otherwise. And $344,000 invested in dividend stocks can generate $18,000 a year in passive income. That's $1,500 every single month for doing nothing.
Even at 55, 10 years, $500 a month, you end up with $98,000. And if you can invest $1,000 a month, which many people can at peak earning years, that's $196,000. Not retirement money on its own, but combined with Social Security, that extra $196K can mean the difference between struggling and comfortable. The worst investment you can make is zero, because zero, compounded for any number of years, is still zero. So if you're starting late, here are 3 things you can do right now. First, max out your 401k match. If your employer matches 3%, that's free money, a guaranteed 100% return on day one. Second, open a Roth IRA. You can contribute $7,000 a year, and the growth is completely tax-free. Third, automate everything. Set up automatic transfers on payday. You can't spend what you never see. The biggest advantage late starters have? Higher income. Use it. Here's the truth nobody tells you. The best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Not tomorrow, not next month, not when you figure things out. Today. Because every day you wait, compound interest loses a day of work. And that's one more soldier that never fights for you. Start now. Start small, but start. Follow for more money breakdowns.